Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two storage containers. So on the right, this is the ALOCEO 2-pack stackable. I've got them stacked on top of each other. And the one on the left here is Hudgan. This is, you just get this single unit. This is the extra large. Now both of them have lids. This one's more of like a storage container with handles with a big opening right here. Whereas this one, these are metal. One is smaller than the other one. That's why you can stack them. Nice lid, it got a big opening here. So let's go over some different size measurements. The stackables are 12 1/4. And this one, the lid fits down in there, so you got like a little lip. That one's about 7 1/4. Left to right, 11 1/2. The big one's about 10 1/2. And again, there's about 12 1/4, and this one's about 10. Let's do front to back. Bigger one, 7 1/2, 6 1/8. And the smaller one's about 5 1/2. Let's go over the opening sizes. This one, 7 3/4 by 4 1/4. This one is 4 1/4 by kind of like 6 1/2. And the smaller one is 6 1/4 by about 3 3/4. Now the 2-pack stackable does come with these things that keep it. These aren't for mounting it. This isn't for hanging it on the wall, but you can stick these on there. These just clip on there, and it'll keep the rack from pulling out. So if you put, say you put trash bags in there, you could stick this to the back of the wall so that when you pull the trash bags out, it wouldn't come out with it. So. Did find this one to be a little big for this size of trash bag that I've got. Maybe if I had the really big roll. But yeah, they do come out. Hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.